In this session, we're going to talk about great expectations and great gratitude. One cannot exist without the other. They are not opposites, but they coexist. Great expectations of 2025 and great gratitude for 2024 and everything that lies behind. There'll be 1,000 distractions, right? Someone is calling, someone is honking, there's an email pending, 1,000 distractions. Distractions are proof you're alive. Your response to it determines how much you're aware. Your response is not the proof of how much you're alive. Your response is what's the quality of your awareness. You see so many messages on your inbox, in your WhatsApp. Can that be there while you honor yourself? And it's okay for anyone to think whatever they want to think. The question is, can you let that all be there while you breathe? Can you say time please to life? Have you done that when you were young? Have you done that when you were young? Have you said time please and gone to drink water? Said time please and tied your lace. Have you said that? Could you say time please? Time please? Is it a good time to say time please right now to your emails, to the stresses, to the losses, to the griefs, to the falling market, to the rising GSTs, and to all of that? To say time please and to breathe. Slowly and deeply, and to come here. And to look within. To look within. To look around. To look behind the year that's getting over. To look within. Parts in you that's reaching out to you for help. Parts in you that's crying for support. Parts in you that's restless when you're here. Can you reach out to them? When you look behind, when you look around your relations, just take 2-3 minutes to look at all these 3 aspects simultaneously. Don't hold on to one aspect. Look within, know what's restless, look at your relations, know what needs your attention, and look behind at the life that you lived in the last 1 year. And keep alternating. Look within. The quality of your breath, the quality of your flexibility, your movement, look within for that. Metabolism, look within for that. And look around for the quality of your relations, for the quality of the people who are associated with you. And look behind at the life you've lived last year. I want to read what Charlie Chaplin said in one of his movies, the first movie in which he had the dialogue. He says, "Greed has poisoned men's soul and barricaded this world with hatred." And that takes me to what Dick says. He says, all that this world needs is sponsorship. It needs grace and generosity. Grace to accept change, grace to say goodbye, grace to recognize there is hurt, and generosity to bring more of you to this world because this world needs more of you. And with grace and generosity, I remember there was once Judy, she came on screen and I said, "Nice to see you." And she said, "It's good to be seen, not just viewed." It's good to be seen. This world needs sponsorship. It's good to be seen, not just viewed. Most of the times we view, right? I'm viewing so many of you right now. She says it's good to be seen and not just to be viewed. And next year, what's that one thing you really want to do? What's that one thing you really, really want to do? Like really, really want to do? Like really, huh? that one thing. Like, of all the things, the next year will mean this to you. What is that that the next year will mean to you? And if we survive the next year, we'll promise to meet again. But who knows? But if we do, we'll meet again. And it'll be nice to know that you did matter in your world. Do you matter in your world? Or do you let life and others consume so much from you? Are you a living sacrifice to pay the bills, to take care of that? Or do you really take that time to step back and breathe? So as we end, look around in your room. You might find people you know. Give them an eye contact and say, Ti amo, in your own way.